Hello guys, today we're gonna make a video because why not? Okay, because my friend asked me to more videos and this guy. No, I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna make more videos. So, I don't know what it's gonna be about, but I'm just gonna play Roblox because I'm bored. And scroll. And I hate this. What game should I play? Use. Actually, I'm a Forsaken, y'all. I got a fat family, y'all. Let's play Bird. Oh! I'm sorry, I'm dying. What the? Is that your nest? Mine now. La 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 lava. Chicken. I need a gotcha. What your Forsaken character? Bloated or is it idiot? Which one of those do you like the most? Plus, how do I even? Time to Eggies. Don't mind what that was. Oh, giant poop floaties. See. This is my egg. If anyone touches it, I'll shoot you till. The thing that I'm looking for is basically some chicken. Ooh, look, there's a fight combination. Look how bad they are. I have tried doing that and I win like 14 times. Because I'm so good at fighting people. Peppers. What is this? OMG. Oh my god, what the heck is that? What the heck was that? There's a hole. Oh no, we gotta get bro inside. Get bro in the hole. Come on, get him in the hole. Yes. Hold up, wait a minute. We got him. Can you please stop? I'm filming a video. I'm not talking to you. This guy's killing me. Bro, how laggy Wi-Fi do you have? I need to take chicken. Psych, did you think I was gonna fall for that? Oh no, got a Sonic run. I'm so bored. Can anyone give me video requests? That's not foot related! If you comment again with any footsies, I will basically freak you, you're basically a freak, whoever. And they called me a blue dude, cool kid, their names. I'm not a dude, I'm a girl. What the freak? And yeah, I'm in a cage. Who's calling me a furry? I'm definitely not a furry. How do you mute? I'm not mute. I'm not trying to mute just because. I'm totally not trying to mute to take my fursuit off. Totally not.
Du skal så om 8 minutter.
Watching my trend. Okay, I didn't post a trend, but yeah, why not? Who's not allowed to talk? I want to talk because I talk. No. I'm on the. Let's walk and find some chicken because we gotta do the lava chicken. We gotta. You almost killed me. Totally not. Did you just do a corrupt nature hit? Hey, let me do a corrupt nature hit. Guys, should I do a corrupt nature hit on one of these guys? Yeah, I'll use this as a corrupt nature. Fine, I'm gonna use one of these as a corrupt nature. Hey, that was mine. Time to find this one. Oh, let's rob and try to pick up this. This works out of corrupt nature. What happened to you guys next? Oh no, time to do a corrupt nature. Corrupt nature. That wasn't good. Time to do a corrupt nature. That was the worst corrupt nature I did. I'm the pro at making corrupt natures. Like, yeah. I really hope my sister doesn't know what corrupt nature is. Do you know what it is? Oh my god, guys, we're in Grow Garden. Look at the strawberry I grew. And this is my garden. Let's plant some strawberries. Cha-ching! Let's plant some strawberries. Cha-ching! Oh my god, I grew a strawberry. This is kinda... I need to do a corrupt nature hit. Look how many blueberries this guy has in their garden. I gotta steal some of their blueberries in their garden. Steal the biggest. They also have common pet eggs. You have two. Let me steal one of these. Which one of these should I steal? This one. Oh, I got a club. Let's go ahead and move that over to my garden. I have the best garden. Better than you guys. Let's steal this entire garden. Let's steal this entire garden. I'm totally not stealing from your garden. I don't know even if it's yours garden. Gee, I have so many blueberries met now. Oh no, I think he's trying to harvest some of his blueberries. I gotta take all of them. This little bird grow garden. I love this video. What the? Okay, I'll make a part 2. If I get all of the strawberries, okay, let's say a bye-bye and I'll make a part 2. And I'll totally post bye-bye! And I'll post a part 2 and I get all of the fruits.